So yeah, like I was saying, we got the Quantum here and we got the OP6. These synthesizers are so cool. That's such a great sound. Let's try this. Yeah. Let's hear how it sounds. I'm gonna turn this down a little bit. We're gonna just bring this way down here, maybe just around 300 hertz. Let's see. Okay, so now we got the melody, we got the vocal, we got the bass, we got the drum, we got the hi-hat. What we're gonna do now is I would just love to find these specific drum samples and let's see if we can capture something cool.